Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing this waterproof self-adhesive peel off kitchen wall tile sticker. They come in size of 30 into 18 inches and are made of vinyl material. First of all, I have to say that I am really impressed with the quality of these stickers. They are super easy to apply and the adhesive is really strong. So you can don't have to worry about them falling off. And one thing I love about these stickers is that they are really easy to clean. If you get any food or grease on them, you can just wipe them down with a damp cloth and they will look as good as new. Another great thing about this sticker is that they are really beautiful and the design is really modern and silk, and it's add a really nice touch to my kitchen. So guys, overall I would definitely recommended this waterproof self-adhesive peel off kitchen wall style sticker. They are easy to clean and easy to wipe and apply, and they look great. If you are looking for an affordable way to update your kitchen, these sticker are definitely worth checking out. So guys, just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video, and support means everything to me. Creating content is my passion, and knowing that you enjoy it makes all the hard work worth it. Whether you are here for the laugh and inspiration or just pass the time, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I am constantly striving to improve and bringing you the best content possible. Your feedback is always welcome and appreciated. Don't hesitate to reach out. I promise to continue bringing you entertaining and informative content that you can enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And guys, if you want to purchase this sticker, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.